Here a short tutorial on how to take partials. We are currently on a demo account and we have one open trade in Euro USD. When we go to our open trades, we can see that we have one trade running with an entry point of 1.08543 and the price is currently at 1.8402. This means that the price currently moved 14 pips in our direction. We took the trade with a lot size of 1.00 and our take profit is at 1.08290. We now have the option to take partials. This means that we are gonna take a part of the profit already. So how do we do this? We click on the trade and we select close order. Now at the top, as you can see, is gonna say lot size 1.00. This is the whole lot size. So if we would click now on close trade, this means it's gonna close the whole lot size, so it's gonna close the whole trade. But we do have the option to close a part of the trade. Let us close half of the trade right now. So we are gonna select the minus 0.1 until we have the lot size of 0.50. This is half of the current lot size we use. And then we just select close our trade. What we just did is, of the 1.00 lot size trade we had running, we closed half of it. So we closed 0.50 lot size already. This means that we took our profit, as you can see in history, and we still have the other part of the trade, 0.50, running. What I really recommend doing now is, if you take partials, is to put that second trade that you keep on running break even. As you saw in the other tutorial, this is done by simply replacing the stop loss with the number you can find on top. So in this case, it's 1.08543. You now can let the other part of the trade run freely and without risk. I hope this tutorial was useful and valuable as always, and